Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through unlocking the power of XRP on RippleNet. RippleNet is revolutionizing cross-border payments, connecting banks, financial institutions, and payment providers worldwide. But how does XRP fit into this powerful network? XRP acts as a bridge currency, providing the crucial liquidity needed for seamless, fast transactions. Let's break down how it works. Imagine you're a bank and you want to send money overseas. Traditionally, you'd need pre-funded accounts in various currencies, which is costly and inefficient. With RippleNet and XRP, that's no longer necessary. Here's the magic. You start by converting your local currency into XRP. This transaction is sent through RippleNet, reaching the recipient's local exchange. There, the XRP is converted into the recipient's currency. All of this happens within seconds. This process is called on-demand liquidity, or ODL. It eliminates the need for those pre-funded accounts, drastically reducing costs and freeing up capital. For financial institutions, this means faster, cheaper, and more efficient cross-border transactions. Imagine being able to offer near-instant payments to your clients no matter where they are in the world. That's the power of XRP on RippleNet. To sum it up, using XRP on RippleNet enables near-instant, cost-efficient payments by acting as a bridge currency. It's a game changer for the financial industry, providing liquidity and facilitating fast, global transactions. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and technology.